Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are driving around Prescott, Arizona, about to head out and find a new campsite for tonight. But right now we are going to try a new snack. Now I've seen these Doritos taco flavored tortilla chips in the store a couple times, but I've never tried them. So I thought it would be fun to try them out today. Now these Doritos are 150 calories for 12 chips. I'm not sure if that's about in line with other varieties of Doritos, but these are supposed to be taco flavored. Let's bust them open. They smell really good. They look similar to a normal Dorito, just a little bit darker.
Orangey. More orange. They're good. I've had them.
Oh my gosh, those are really good.
They've been around a while.
They taste like taco meat and sour cream and cheddar cheese.
That's my favorite flavored Dorito.
I'm really glad I got these because actually I had somebody tell me they're not very good, but I decided to get them anyways. These are delicious.
I could have told you that.
Delish. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely head to the store and check out these Dorito taco tortilla chips. They are super yummy.
And, disclaimer, if you open this, prepare to eat the whole bag. It doesn't matter if you're big or small, you're going to want them all.
Because they are so good. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.